my ukulele players. This is a video update about Ukulele Resources. I know many of you have a ukulele at home, or you have a sibling that has one, or maybe you can even acquire one somehow. I have on my classroom website uploaded all of the resources from our work on ukuleles before. So in the bottom of this video, I'm going to put a link to my classroom website. I'm also going to include a link to places where you could purchase a ukulele if you are interested in getting one for home. And all of these resources include the songbook with songs like Little Tommy Tinker sat upon a clinker, your favorite. Fungalafia. What else have we done on our ukuleles? Have you seen the ghost of Tom? Row, row your boat was for one of them. I can't remember which one. But anyway, all of those will be online, as well as our introduction video we watched when we first started working on ukulele. Hi, Ezra. And there will also be all of those ukulele. Oh, yes, we hear you. All of those ukulele videos that we played in class, like Thunder by Imagine Dragons, all the good stuff. So please check out the links below and head over to our music website. Have a great day.